Hey ladies and gentlemen, what's up? Devon Brown here, and what I'd like to do in this quick video is share with you the secret formula for making guru type money or guru type commissions. And what I mean by that is that when you look online and you go to these sales letters or you see these testimonial videos or you see this proof of gurus or experts or people who have made $10,000 a week, right? You see this income proof of $3,000 days over and over again. You see all that big money shit. How do you make that? What is the secret sauce that allows, 4 or 5% of the people to make that money and 95% of the people to not make that money? That's what I'm going to tell you in this video. And here's the great thing. It's so easy that you don't even need to grab a pen and paper. Just listen. Because this secret sauce, is what we'll call it for the sake of this damn video, is actually really simple. Okay? You ready? Here it is. Here is the secret sauce for making big, fat guru money. Okay? Put in the work. I'll say it again in case you missed it. Put in the work. You see, I have had personally more than my fair share of days where I've made 4 or even 5 or even multiple 5 figures, right? Making $1,000 in a day isn't new or strange. As a matter of fact, it's to the point where it's kind of weird when I don't make at least $1,000 in a day often, right? I have had my experiences where something new has launched and I've jumped into it and I've had a $10,000 or a $20,000 week. Right? And I'm the person that you see on the sales page, like, look at this check I got. Boom, look at that. $7,462.12, right? There's some exact number like that. In my first 10 days, I've had that. The reason I get those is because I put in the work, right? The reason I'm able to do that is because for years, I've been building my list, building a relationship with my list, communicating with them, adding value to them. This is like what this video is for you right now, so that when something pops up or when an opportunity happens, I can then leverage my list and my relationship with them into that big thing and make a lot of money. All right? Or conversely, I have been building my continuity program up enough over the years, not days, not weeks, not months, but years, to the point where I've got a minimum of X number of people paying me X dollars, right? So that I can pretty much guarantee myself that for the next 30 days, if I do nothing else, I should be able to make at least, X thousand dollars. I put in the work. And these people that you see with these big examples of how much money they've made, they put in the work. They put in the work beforehand. They built the infrastructure. They put in the time and the effort, and it sucked for most of us. And then now, because we did, we're able to have those big income days, right? That big, holy shit, I want to be there kind of days. So I hope that makes sense. All right. I know it's not glamorous. I know it's not sexy, but what it is true. All right, so that's all I got for this video. Sorry, there's like no magic pill to take. There really isn't. But like this video, comment on it, share it. Let me know your thoughts. I snapped my fingers. I need to flip my legs. That's all I got. See you guys later. Bye bye.